Good morning, everybody. Today is a great day for a ride, and today we are going to venture out a little farther than we have in the past. Got a couple hour ride out toward Natchez, just north of Natchez, Mississippi, and we're in search for what we've been told is the world's best fried chicken. So we're going to make a day of it, ride out, check out this fried chicken, see if it really is the world's best fried chicken, and we'll take you along with us. Let's ride. All right, guys, we made it to Lorman, Mississippi, home of the old country store. Now, if you don't know where Lorman, Mississippi is, don't beat yourself up about it, because we didn't know either. It's in the actual middle of nowhere, but this place has been on, I think, the Food Network, several different channels, and there's all kind of videos on YouTube, but the claim is they have the world's best fried chicken. And we're here to put that to the test. Oh, we gotta sign the guest book. Yeah, I didn't see an ink. Oh, wait. There it is. Oh, there's one. We get to sign the guest book. Sign that thing.
Yeah, I'm getting good.
So it's good.
Even better.
So you're saying it's going to be a bad ride home for 2 hours, as full as we're going to be?
Designated driver, sir. Okay.
I didn't bring her with me.
You should have. Okay.
I may have to take a nap somewhere.
Sure, I got a couch up there. Y'all just grab your platter right there and help yourself. All you can eat.
Look at this.
You start on that end right now.
Oh,
Go to
man.
the other one, and I ain't got them yet.
Still putting stuff out. I'm about to hurt myself. Yep. I can probably go ahead and give you a review on this before I even eat it. Look at this. This is what we call down south soul food, okay? You don't just get this at Popeyes or KFC or McDonald's. No, this is soul food.
That's amazing. You never know where you're going. How you gonna get there? Oh, this will be building for song and a dance, man. I've been dancing and singing ever since I bought it. Remember, I could dance through the kitchen all the morning trying to get this chicken just right. Got a great group of guests who want to help each and every one of you. Love to give you something special today. To remember that, it goes like this. Grandmama was a cornbread cooking queen. Grandmama was a cornbread cooking queen. Hey, 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 hey. Grandmama, grandmama, grandmama. Oh, grandmama. Grandmama was my cornbread cooking queen.
Make a special trip to come to Lorman, Mississippi
To see Mr. D.
see Mr. D and get that fried chicken.
That's
And
the best fried chicken in the world.
it is. It is. We having to convince ourselves to even stop the bike, go back home. I'm so full. We're gonna have to take a bunch of breaks. I can see that right now. But it was well worth the ride over here. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. The question that we had when we got here, when we started here, is does he have the world's best fried chicken? Yes, he's got the world's best fried chicken. Mr. D has got it going on in Lorman, Mississippi. Get out here, try it.